everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have a lot of makeup going on today and I feel like a completely different person. I feel older when I have makeup on. Anyway, we're going to do the brows. Well, I'm going to do the brows. So Benefit Hong Kong sent me this cute little packaging of brow products. So this is what it looks like. Hey, you can see my eye there. Hello. So I've got two shades here. One is the blonde and the other one is the brown black. So that is what I have on my eyebrows. But I think I can use this for my clients or whenever I use when I lighten my hair color or when I have a wig on. And actually I already have my own. I bought it when it first came in Hong Kong. Yeah, and this is the medium, or what was that? A little bit lighter than the dark one that I have, but I like this when I have heavier eye makeup, and I think it goes very well with my hair color now. And there is a bottom drawer, and I've got a goof-proof brow pencil. This is one of my favorite. It got spoolie on one end and the brow pencil on the other end, so it's really handy. And I've also got the Precisely My Brow pencil, but I've already opened it. Alright, now without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Ooh, I have no brows right now. Alright, so I mean I do have brow hair, but it's no brow product. Okay, my eyebrows are naked right now. I need to fill them in. So this is what it looks like. I did microbladed or tattooed my eyebrows before, I think a few months ago, but it didn't work. As you can see, it's all faded, and of course I have some foundation on top, but it's not good. So I need to fill in my eyebrows every day. First, I'm going to take my spoolie and brush the brow hair in place. I always trim and shape my eyebrows almost every single day or every other day. Well, basically whenever I see that there's some stray hair growing, I shave them or I pluck them out. I'm going to take the lighter shade and fill in my front part of the brows. Gently fill in your eyebrows like that. I'm starting from the middle because I want the front part of my eyebrows to be lighter and then medium dark and darker. So I'm starting from the midsection. And I'm going to use my spoolie and blend that out. And whatever is left here, I'm going to push it towards the front. So I'm not filling any color in the front, but I'm pushing the color that's here in the middle and bringing it forward. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the darker shade. This is the deeper shade. And I'm going to just fill in the tail of my brows. Now this is what you can do if you don't like a very thick and drawn on eyebrows. You just do that. So I like to make my brows a little bit more thicker and more detailed, more sharper basically. And now what I like to do is make sure I find a pointed angle of the pencil, and I like to draw hair-like strokes in the front. So you want to be very gentle when you draw on hair. You start from here and you just draw little hair-like strokes, following your natural hair, or you just draw in new hairs. Now take a spoolie and gently brush off the excess, but do not mix. Just go upward following the hair direction. Now usually I don't really use concealer to define or create the shape because I think it looks pretty okay with just a brow pencil. But if you are someone who always messes up their eyebrows, then I think this is a great tool. There are two lighter shades in this pencil, and I'm going to take the medium one and I'm going to just outline the edges. And there you have it. The brows are finally done. Remember, your brows are not twins, so it doesn't have to be like exactly the same. I think if you look closely, this one is a little bit more rounded and this is more arched, but it's okay. I can't fix it, but I won't be bothered. Alright, so zooming out, this is how my brows look like. I think they're very well defined than how I usually do. It definitely helped me to make my brows really nice and sharp and killer-ish looking. Now, what do I think of it? Do I like it? Yes, I do like it. Do I think that it is easy to use? It's easy to use if you're already good with applying makeup, but for a completely beginner, it's not very easy to use as it may be confusing to some of you. So you might want to stick with the goof-proof eyebrow pencil or the Precisely My Brows pencil, because it's more easy to just fill in your eyebrows, use a spoolie to blend it, and that's it. But this one may be a little bit confusing to some of you if you're new in makeup. Is it a must-have? Do you really need to buy it? Not really, but if you are a collector, if you love makeup, then it is definitely a must-have. That is why I got it for myself in the first place. When it first came to Hong Kong. And hold on, I've got a giveaway for you guys. So, well, Benefit got it for me, for you guys. So what I have here is, well, I'm going to open it, but I'm going to pack it and send it to you, one of you. So this is the Hello Gorgeous bag. If you haven't watched my previous video, I did a collaboration with Benefit. I gave one of my subscriber or follower from Instagram a makeover, and I've got all the products that I used in that video here. So one of you will be winning this, so I'll show you what's inside. I haven't opened it. So there is a Hello Flawless pressed powder. This has SPF 15 in it. I also have one for my own, but this is for you. And you got the Hello Flawless foundation, and you have the Dandelion highlighter, which is my favorite. I have been using it almost every single day, like if I put my makeup on, because it's so handy. And I also have a Hoola bronzer. Hoola bronzer is my favorite. I actually have it here today. I like to use it for my clients, or I also used it for my makeup class last time in Hong Kong. So Hoola bronzer, I really love this. It's a very versatile color. It's an OG product that I really love personally, and you're going to have it too. And you have the blush here, which is called Living the California Dream. And you have a Brow. This is one of my favorite brow products because I like to draw my hair, my brow hair in the front very precisely. This is my most favorite brow product from Benefit. And
You also have a Precisely My Brows pencil. This is also one of my favorite. Look at that. It's like, kill somebody with this. No, don't. You also have a Bad Girl Bang mascara. And one more. The Punch Pop lip gloss. So one of you is going to win this makeup goodie bag. And what you'll have to do to win this is, well, what you'll have to do? Well, basically subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below. Oh, I want to know when did you start watching my videos, and I want to know where you are from, because I would love to know who and from where in the world is watching my video. Make sure you enter the giveaway because I'm going to be announcing it in the next video that I do. And also please follow me on my Instagram because I have a whole another life there, and I do post stories a lot, and I do come live once or twice every week and be my real self. I am still real here in YouTube as well, but you know, in my Instagram, in my live videos, I'm just like crazy. It's no lighting, no nothing, no makeup, and just crazy. Okay, so make sure you follow me in my Instagram too. Oh, and also if you guys are in Hong Kong, I am doing another makeup class in second week of October. October is going to be the last month in Hong Kong, and then I'm going to UK. And I'm going to do a class there too. So it's going to be my last makeup class in Hong Kong. But if you didn't know that I do classes then, you are very welcome to join my classes. And all the information is going to be posted in my Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram. I'm going to be posting about the makeup class date soon. And I would love to meet all of you. And I'm going to share all of my little beauty tips and tricks and makeup tips and tricks and everything, and teach you how to do makeup by yourself because I think it's very easy. Well, if you learn from me. I also have a makeup book, a step-by-step, easy to follow makeup book only for the class, exclusively for the class, and I also have a lot of gifts for the class. So if you want to join, then please follow my Instagram and stay updated with the notifications. Alright, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.